Good afternoon, class. Today we are working on Chapter 7, Lesson 6. I want you to turn in your books to page 445. And today's lesson is all about multiplication and division rules when it comes to patterns and sequences. So what we're doing today is a lot like what we did yesterday with addition and subtraction, but instead we're doing multiplication and division. So hopefully you have turned to page 445. And once you get there, you're going to see a kid washing a car. Okay. And excuse me, it says Charles washes cars to earn money. If he washes 2 cars, he earns $12. If he washes 6 cars, he earns $36. Write an equation to describe the pattern. Then use the equation to find how much money Charles will earn if he washes 8, 10, and 12 cars. So if you look, it says complete the table, then look for the pattern that describes the rule. So we have to figure out if he washes 2 cars, so 2 cars times however much money is going to give him $12. Sorry about that glare. There we go. Okay. And if he washes, it says if he washes 6 cars times however much money he's earning, he's going to get $36. So we need to find out how much money per car he's earning. Okay? So what times 2 equals 12? What times 6 equals 36? That's what we've got to figure out here. Okay? So what times 2 equals 12? Let's think about it. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So 2 times 6 equals 12. Do we think 6 times 6 equals 36? Let's think about it. 6 times 5 is 30, and add on another group of 6. So 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So yeah, 6 times 6 is 36. So I would say that rule is to multiply by 6. Okay? So let's go then to our table. You've got a table there in front of you. And it says cars washed, which is the input, and then the amount earned, which is the output. Okay? So you've got this table. Sorry, I've got to move this over a little bit. There we go. Okay. Input is A, output is B. So we know 2 cars, he gets $12. We know then if he would put 4, he would get $24. Because side note, 4 times 6 is 24. So we're still following our rule. Okay. And we know that 6 cars is going to give him $36. Okay. So this is where we have to figure out the rest of the problem. So it wants to know what he's going to earn, what Charles is going to earn if he washes 8 cars or 10 cars, or maybe he's got a lot of free time and he can wash 12 cars. Okay. So we just have to multiply times 6 because our equation is A, which is our input, times 6, which is our rule, equals B, our output. Okay, so all we got to do now is figure out 8 times 6. Okay, think about that. Go back to your multiplication facts. What is 8 times 6? Okay, that's going to be 48. And then we have 10 times 6. That's going to be 60. And then 12 times 6. That's going to be 72. Okay, so when you look back on page 445, you know that 8 times 6 is 48, 10 times 6 is 60, 12 times 6 is 62. So Charles will earn quite a bit of money. He's going to earn $48 for those 8 cars. He's going to earn $60 for those 10 cars. And if he's got the time, good for him. He's going to earn $72 if he washes 12 cars. Okay. So when you come back to meet with me, I want you to be ready to go on page 446. Okay, I also need you to get your independent practice done. That is going to be on page 447 and 448. Okay, I need you to get as much of this done as you can. I'm going to check them around 2:40. Okay, so this is what you're doing at our group. This is what you're doing for independent practice. And this is when I'm checking this. Okay, so don't ask me what we're supposed to be doing. Here it is. It's all right here. Okay, all right. I hope you have a marvelous afternoon. Hope we're having a great day, and I'll talk to you later.